This is our third featured foreclosed property. A beautiful corner single detached home at Amalfi Heights, located at the Island Park in Dasmariñas, Cavite. Amalfi sits right at the heart of the Island Park, a thoughtfully planned community designed for comfort and elegance. Sit inside a gated enclave. This property offers Italian-inspired architecture, surrounded by the refreshing greenery of landscape parks and open spaces, giving you a serene escape from the busy city. This home is now open for bidding at 7,598,500 pesos. All taxes, including capital gains tax, shall be for the account of the buyer. If you are looking for a peaceful yet premium address in Cavite, Amalfi Heights at the Island Park would be the perfect choice for you. Tingnan nyo guys, mga ma'am and sir, ang ganda-ganda ng property na to, ang laki-laki. Panalong-panalo na kayo dito kasi makakapag-discount kayo ng 50% compared to current price. Payment terms, 20% down payment, 80% within cash or in bank. For the 20%, kailangan po natin ng 5% reservation fee. At ang 15% naman, payable within 15 days. And 80%, as I've said, through bank financing. Sabihin nyo lang guys kung saang bank nyo ito ilo-loan, I can help you. Thank you.